Google Bard uses and benefits. What is Google Bard? Google Bard is a powerful natural language processing or NLP tool developed by Google. It uses advanced algorithms to understand and interpret human language, enabling it to perform a wide range of tasks. From answering questions to generating text, Google Bard has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. In today's video, we're going to go through Google Bard's uses and benefits, and why you should consider using Google Bard in your daily life. Technology is changing by the minute, and you want to stay updated, so be sure to have liked this video and subscribe to our channel and switch on the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Now, let's get back into the video. How does Google Bard work? Google Bard works by analyzing the structure and meaning of sentences. It breaks down the text into smaller units, such as words or phrases, and then applies various linguistic rules and models to understand the context and intent behind the text. This allows Google Bard to generate accurate and relevant responses. Google Bard uses a combination of machine learning and deep learning techniques to continuously improve its performance. It learns from vast amounts of data, including books, articles, and websites, to enhance its understanding of language and provide more accurate and natural responses. Google Bard also takes advantage of the vast knowledge graph maintained by Google. This knowledge graph contains information about entities, relationships, and facts, which Google Bard can access to provide comprehensive and informative answers. What are the uses of Google Bard? Google Bard has a wide range of uses across various industries and domains. Here are some of the key applications. Virtual assistants. Google Bard powers virtual assistants like Google Assistant, enabling users to interact with their devices using natural language. It can answer questions, perform tasks, and provide personalized recommendations. Search engine optimization. Google Bard plays a crucial role in search engine optimization, also known as SEO. It helps search engines understand the content of web pages, improving their visibility and ranking in search results. Content generation. Google Bard can generate human-like text, making it a valuable tool for content creators. It can assist in writing articles, product descriptions, and even creative pieces like poems and stories. Customer support. Google Bard can be used to automate customer support processes. It can understand and respond to customer queries, providing instant assistance and reducing the workload on support teams. Language translation. Google Bard's language understanding capabilities make it an excellent tool for language translation. It can accurately translate text from one language to another, facilitating communication across different cultures. What are the benefits of using Google Bard? Using Google Bard offers several benefits, both for individuals and businesses. Improved efficiency. Google Bard can quickly process and understand large amounts of text, saving time and effort. It can perform tasks that would otherwise require manual intervention, freeing up resources for more critical activities. Enhanced user experience. By leveraging Google Bard's capabilities, businesses can provide a more personalized and interactive user experience. Virtual assistants powered by Google Bard can understand user preferences and tailor their responses accordingly. Increased productivity. Content creators can benefit from Google Bard's ability to generate text. It can assist in brainstorming ideas, provide suggestions, and even help with proofreading, enabling writers to produce high-quality content more effectively. Accurate information retrieval. Google Bard's access to the knowledge graph ensures that it can provide accurate and up-to-date information. This is particularly useful in fields where information changes rapidly, such as news and research. Cost savings. Automating tasks with Google Bard can lead to significant cost savings. By reducing the need for manual intervention, businesses can streamline their operations and allocate resources more effectively. How to use Google Bard effectively? To make the most of Google Bard, here are some tips for using it effectively. Tip number 1. Be clear and specific. When interacting with Google Bard, be clear and specific in your queries. Use concise and well-structured sentences to ensure that Google Bard understands your intent accurately. Tip number 2. Provide context. Context is crucial for Google Bard to provide relevant responses. If your query is ambiguous, provide additional information or rephrase your question to give Google Bard the necessary context. Tip number 3. Experiment with different queries. Google Bard's understanding capabilities are continually evolving. Experiment with different types of queries to explore its full potential. Try asking questions in different ways or requesting specific types of information. Tip number 4. Utilize Google Bard in content creation. If you are a content creator, leverage Google Bard's text generation capabilities. Use it to generate ideas, improve your writing, or even create entire pieces of content. However, always review and edit the generated text to ensure its quality and coherence. Tip number 5. Stay updated. Google Bard's performance and capabilities are constantly improving. Stay updated with the latest developments and enhancements to make the most of this powerful tool. Follow Google's official channels and participate in relevant communities to stay informed. In conclusion, Google Bard is a game-changing natural language processing or NLP tool that has transformed the way we interact with technology. Its ability to understand and interpret human language opens up a world of possibilities across various domains. From virtual assistants to content generation, Google Bard offers numerous benefits for individuals and businesses alike. By using Google Bard effectively and staying updated with its advancements, users can unlock its full potential and enhance their productivity and user experience. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing by the day, and it's more important than ever to keep up. AI can enhance your productivity and make your life so much easier, which is why tools like Google Bard can be so useful. We need to embrace tools like Google Bard so we can be able to use it for both our personal life and our professional life. We hope you enjoyed this video on how to use Google Bard effectively and the benefits of Google Bard. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to share the video with anyone else who might find this content on Google Bard useful. Be sure to click on the bell notification so you get updated whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.